Think you're a science and nature expert? Prove it now. Question 1. How many types of quarks are there in the Standard Model of Physics? The answer is 6. Question 2. What is an alternative name for multiple personality disorder? The answer is dissociative identity disorder. Question 3. How many moons does the Earth have? The answer is 1. Question 4. In aeronautics, flaps and slats are used to control what on an aircraft? The answer is lift. Question 5. What is the color of unoxidized blood? The answer is red. How do you do? Comment your score below. Follow us for more quizzes and challenges.